we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Good morning. I am in the desert on public land and some little wasp want my coffee and it's pretty hot and there's nobody here, which is very surprising. I actually just woke up in the morning and first thing I found some wood in another camp spot. I just went and got it really quick first thing in the morning because I didn't want it to be really hot when I was bringing it over. It was quite a bit of a walk, but also exercise in the morning and then coffee time. I gotta put the shade up, it's way too hot.
With your hand on your heart, please tell me which way to go, 'cause I sure don't know. One piece in hand is a start, but it's a mighty puzzle to lay. No need to say, how will I cope?
Setup is complete. Look at that. I have my kitchen over there under the shade. I have my cutting board here. Got this baby right here. I'm so glad I put the awning up. It's raining right now. But I can still be outside and enjoy myself camping. So this awning is amazing.
With your heart on your sleeve, it's a fine line between letting go and losing control. So I take my love and hide it away from those who steal till I find my way. How will I call?
Whew, that shower felt amazing, especially out here in the desert where it can get a little dusty, especially when you get a few gusts of wind like now. It's a light breeze, but it's dusty, so that feels amazing. That shower was a great investment.
can't sleep, but I'm hardly awake. A limbo dance, such a fine romance. Bit by bit, I am slowly waking.
Okay, so I got these veggie burger patties and I have 2 left, and I'm gonna use both of them because they're pretty thin, but I don't want them to go bad. I had them for a while and they're supposed to be frozen and I only kept them in the fridge. I'm making myself a veggie burger today.
How will I cope without your word? How will I cope without your heartbeat? How will I cope without your love? How will I cope without your word? How will I cope without your heartbeat? How will I cope without your With your hand on your heart, oh please tell me, will I cope?
The only problem with these veggie patties that I got, they fall apart really quickly, as you saw, but they're really delicious. So it's gonna be messy. As I predicted, it ended up being super messy, so I just transferred it in here, in this little pan that I have. I figured the cheese would keep it together, but am I feeling adventurous? A little bit more spicy sauce? Why not? This thing's amazing.
I don't know what it means, but there's a smile upon your face, and I see something shimmering in your eyes. And they say if you wanna glimpse the future, you need space. And you said you'll put down your morning guns. Would you fall